Time now for a look at some of the top stories making news around the world.
In the region, Trinidad and Tobago has acknowledged the legitimacy of Venezuela's current administration, signaling a shift in its previously guarded position on the political crisis in Caracas. The statement marks a departure from months of deflection by government officials in Port of Spain on the issue of recognition for the Venezuelan president Delcy Rodriguez. On the international scene, Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orbán, a major ally of Donald Trump, has been ousted from power after 16 years. Orbán conceded election victory with the opposition on course for a landslide win in today's election. Opposition leader Peter Magyar is set to be the country's new prime minister with more than 80% of the votes counted. His party is set to win a massive majority in parliament. Record numbers turned out for an election which was seen as pivotal to the future of Hungary and Europe, and which delivers a blow to the Orban's close allies Vladimir Putin and Donald Trump. And U.S. President Donald Trump says the U.S. Navy will blockade the Strait of Hormuz, a vital shipping route, after peace talks with Iran collapsed yesterday. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said he had instructed the Navy to seek and interdict every vessel in international waters that has paid a toll to Iran. Trump added that direct talks with Iran failed because the country was unwilling to give up its nuclear ambitions. He said the blockade will start soon. Earlier, the leader of Iran's delegation said the U.S. failed to gain Tehran's trust during lengthy negotiations in Islamabad, Pakistan. And those are the top stories from around the world. I'm Carrie Simpson.